In this review, we take a close look at telephoto lenses, comparing budget-friendly models with their professional sports counterparts. Our goal is to help you understand how these lenses perform in real-world sports photography scenarios, focusing on image quality, autofocus speed, and build durability. Whether you're a casual photographer capturing family games or an enthusiast aiming for top-tier action shots, this comparison will provide valuable insights. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which lens type best suits your needs and budget. Several budget-friendly telephoto lenses have recently gained attention for their impressive balance of affordability and performance. Models like the Canon RF 100 to 400 mm, 5.6 to 8, ISUSNOM, Tamron 150 to 500 mm, 5 to 6.7, DII3V, CPXD, and Nikon Nikkore YIMBU-Z 180 to 600 mm at 5.6 to 6.3 VR offer versatile zoom ranges and advanced stabilization systems, making them suitable for capturing fast-paced sports action. These lenses are lightweight and portable, which is ideal for extended shoots or on-the-go photographers. Their autofocus systems are designed to deliver quick and reliable focusing, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. For sports photography enthusiasts, these options provide a practical solution without the hefty price tag of professional-grade lenses. Professional sports lenses are renowned for their advanced features and exceptional build quality, making them the top choice among experienced photographers. These lenses typically offer superior autofocus speed, high-resolution optics, and minimal distortion, ensuring that every fast-paced moment is captured with precision. Their robust construction often includes weather sealing and impact-resistant materials, allowing them to withstand challenging environments and frequent use. What truly sets pro lenses apart is their consistent performance in demanding scenarios, such as high-stakes sporting events, where reliability and image fidelity are crucial. For photographers who require uncompromising quality and durability, professional lenses remain the gold standard in sports photography. When comparing image quality between budget and professional telephoto lenses, several key factors come into play. Budget lenses from brands like Canon, Tamron, and Sigma often deliver impressive sharpness and color fidelity, sometimes rivaling more expensive models in well-lit conditions. However, pro lenses consistently offer superior resolution, minimal distortion, and enhanced clarity, especially in challenging lighting or fast action scenarios. Color accuracy tends to be more reliable with professional-grade optics, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life results. Overall, while budget lenses can produce excellent images for casual sports photography, professionals may notice subtle differences that justify the investment in high-end gear. Autofocus speed and accuracy are crucial when photographing fast-paced sports events. Budget lenses often feature simpler focusing mechanisms, which can result in slower response times and occasional missed shots when tracking moving subjects. In contrast, professional lenses are equipped with advanced autofocus systems that lock onto targets quickly and reliably, ensuring that every critical moment is captured with precision. Our tests reveal that while budget options may suffice for casual or slower-paced activities, they can struggle to keep up in high-stakes scenarios where split-second timing is essential. Ultimately, the choice between budget and pro lenses depends on how demanding your sports photography needs are and whether you prioritize speed over affordability. Build durability is a crucial factor for photographers who frequently shoot in demanding conditions. Professional telephoto lenses are engineered with robust materials and often feature weather-sealed casings, providing reliable resistance to dust, moisture, and accidental impacts. In contrast, budget lenses typically prioritize lightweight and compact designs, which may compromise their ability to withstand harsh environments. While these affordable options are suitable for casual use, they may lack the rugged construction needed for outdoor sports photography. Understanding these differences helps photographers decide whether the sturdiness of a pro lens is necessary for their work or if a budget-friendly option will suffice. Selecting the right telephoto lens depends largely on your photography style and personal priorities. Casual shooters often value affordability and portability, making budget-friendly lenses an appealing option for capturing family games or local events. Professionals, on the other hand, may prioritize advanced features and durability, opting for pro-grade lenses that deliver consistent performance in demanding environments. It's important to assess whether image quality, autofocus speed, or build reliability matters most for your specific needs. By understanding your goals and typical shooting scenarios, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with both your budget and expectations. In summary, both budget and professional telephoto lenses offer distinct advantages for sports photography. Budget-friendly options have proven their capability, delivering impressive image quality and reliable performance for casual shooters, and those seeking affordability and portability. Professional lenses, meanwhile, excel in autofocus speed, build durability, and consistent high-resolution results, making them ideal for demanding environments and publication-worthy shots. The best choice ultimately depends on your priorities and shooting style. If you're capturing family games or local events, a budget lens may be more than sufficient. However, for professionals or those aiming for top-tier results, investing in a pro lens ensures you won't miss critical moments and can withstand challenging conditions.